Hello world! When someone loves you, the way they talk about you is different. You feel safe and comfortable. There is fluency when speaking love and truth about someone. It's effortless and flows without conflict and comes from heartfelt feelings and positive emotional memory. When a person truly loves you, their words match the emotion that they are displaying and you feel it. You believe them. The way that you talk about someone or the way that you don't talk about them. When we are happy, we want to share what's making us happy and feeling love makes us happy. It's food to soul. You protect what you love, whether it's with your body, your heart, or with your words. The real proof that someone loves you is when they want to take care of you and be beside you, even when you have nothing to give and only your sadness or pain to share. When you really love someone, you don't want them to ever feel alone or go through any struggle on their own. Love is completeness. Real love is sharing all of you with all of them and bringing you both peace and comfort. And that's the key to enjoying the laughter together even more. By Joel Clemons. On the post of Anna for Morning with Ama, she captioned it with, I have such a practice for a long time that the morning is reserved only for me. Time stops, everything around you stop exist. I am drinking a cup of warm water with lemon and salt, opening my favorite note and writing. I put all my thoughts on the paper, and the amazing thing is that every day I surprise myself with my sense of humor, open-mindedness, thoughts, and most of all, who I have become myself. Me versus me, guess what? I love you telling myself every day, looking in the reflection in the mirror, so much appreciating where I am today, the courage I found in myself to go for what's healthy for me, and the unknown because outside my comfort zone. And you? How many times have you said to yourself the words from the real? How do you feel about that? P.S. I love you. Ama also said that, hi there, I like you, I fancy you, you fascinate me, you can do it, you are beautiful, you are unique. Is it easy for you to say these words to someone else? What about you? When was the last time you said such word to yourself? P.S.
Cześć. Lubię cię. Podobasz mi się. Fascynujesz mnie. Dasz radę. Jesteś piękna. Jesteś piękny. Jesteś wyjątkowa. Jesteś wyjątkowy. Łatwo powiedzieć ci te słowa drugiej osobie? A ty? Kiedy ostatnio powiedziałaś takie słowa do siebie? PS.
Michele do a throwback story way back February 6 when the time he go to Turkey. Hope you remember it too, guys. We understand you, Michele, as you can't forget this time, as all around the world, no one can also forget how devastating the news was. It takes many lives and destroy many properties. Looking on the survivors, especially children, we always wish the better future for them.
As Nanu. Wow, how old are you? You speak good English. Yeah, you speak.
Sen yok mu? Yok başka çikolata. Arabada var abi, getireyim ben.
Tamam, geliyor ağlama, geliyor. Ver. Geliyor. Huh? I need a translator. What she's saying? Ersin.
You say channel? YouTube?
Channel?
Channel.
If I do YouTube.
Yes.
No.
No YouTube. No.
Yok.
No. We are here to support. Okay.
Desteklemek için buradalar.
I am almost 33. How can I say in Turkey?
Even how devastating the situation, in the smile of children, it always gives hope for a better tomorrow.
Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Huh?
What's your name?
Hey!
What's your name?
My name is Mickey.
Mickey.
Where are you going?
My name is Gizem.
In every day, there is always a change. Nice to hear from you that on this time as you see children survive war, it changed your life.
Wow, this is amazing. What's this? Wow. Thank you so. This is for me? It's for me? Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
We should really always capture memories because we doesn't know what tomorrow to come. Yeah, we all know it. You can't forget him.
Wanna play with the ball? Wanna play with the ball? Come.
Uluslararası camiler, karizması güç olan, değil mi? Toplum devletleri, Avrupa'nın Türkiye'de yapılan seçim, bakan ülkelerin kaderi değişti. Rusya, Ukrayna, Suriye, İran, Azerbaycan,
Sharing your talent, your passion, give a best time and memories with them to look back.
I'm gonna make blue hair.
Teşekkür etmek ister misin?
Who's eating the chocolate? She's so cute. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay.
Ruyo R. Michele, it's been 2 years ago that everyone see how it happened and everyone feel the pain. Good that you will come back to them. Hope you will fulfill your promise to them.
So I'm just 5 minutes away from the camp, and as you can see, this is it was a hotel, a very old hotel. You see, now they're working on it. I must be very careful because I'm not gonna get too close because it's really dangerous. And the whole city, it's exactly like this place. Alright, so this is just to let you know that these people need help now, not tomorrow, not in 5 minutes, not in an hour. They need help now.
Giving, sharing is really a big help for them, but the best is that you go to them to feel your presence of love, compassion, and care for them.
Sonra da var. Kapağa dikkat et abi.
Ama olmaz. Olmaz. Asker şartı olmaz. Verirler. Bizim
İhtiyacınız olduğunu yazdırın. Verirler. Bize buraya bırakmamız gerekiyorsa verirler. İhtiyacı olan verirler. Yok.
There's still another bag, another box inside.
Kapıları kilitlemeyi unutmayın da. Bak, diğer kutuya basacağım.
Someone will land for a few minutes here at Grand Hotel Cormier Mont Blanc. Here they are, Mama Ruba, Marcus and Brando on how they are happy on their skiing time moment. It's really good to see that Ruba always make time with her boys if she is not at work, and they are all have the same sports. Yay, yay, yay! Go, go, go for it! You can all do it! Do you think, guys, Brando can do it? Watch this!
Johnny.
Bravo!
Brando grew up so fast. I love to see him grow. I love to look at him, how adventurous he was. He always so brave that he has to fight his fear. That is why he enjoys what he is doing. Oh la la la, bravo Brando! The genuine, the precious smile, happiness that cannot buy, it's natural that come from the heart. A perfect place for relaxation. Check this out. What can you say for a new song of Michele soon to come out with "Give Me That Reason"? I hope you will find the reason for his question. Watch and hear this also as how to Michele do composing his song.
Oh no! To like work a little bit more.
Do you think, guys, this story of Michele be a part of his coming movie? Yes, sunshine and sunshine is good to our health. Nice weather in New York. Good to see you, Michele, that you are a part of a Boss luxury brand as he takes some photo shoot for it. As it said, strong, intense, and prep for anything in Boss One. As to Michele, he captioned it with, "I am my own boss," which is true. We are the boss of our own self. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 37 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. A lot of people think of integrity as doing the right thing, which is a kind of accurate but also completely wrong. Integrity isn't a moral judgment. It's a test of solidity and strength. When a building is said to have integrity, it doesn't mean it's a morally good building. It means that it is strong and solid, it can hold its foundation under stress and will not give away. Fighting yourself and the truth, all while expending valuable energy that could be put to good use, whereas if you remain in contact with the truth, no matter how scary or painful, you remain intact. You do not fracture, you remain structurally sound. Doing what you say you will do isn't about morals, it's about remaining connected to the truth. If you say you will do something and choose not to, you have broken your connection with the truth. A fractured experience of guilt will take the place of a sound, solid, and peaceful conscience. There is a line that runs down the center of every human being, a strong connection to the truth. Keep this line intact, body, mind, and soul can act as one, unified under the truth. By Joel Clemons.